What if you could get powerful edge AI performance, 8K multimedia processing, industrial grade reliability, and ultra low power consumption, all in a compact system on module? Well, that's exactly what Forlinx is promising with its brand new system on module. The module built around Rockchip's newly launched RK3572 processor, designed for smart manufacturing, industrial automation, AIoT, commercial displays, smart security, and vehicle systems. This platform aims to bridge the gap between performance and efficiency. So let's take a closer look on it. The RK3572 is Rockchip's latest mid-range AIoT processor built on an advanced 8 nanometer manufacturing process. It features an octa-core architecture combining 2 Cortex A73 performance core, 6 Cortex A53 efficiency core. This big little design delivers more than double the performance of previous mid-range platforms, while reducing typical power consumption by over 50%. According to Rockchip, standby power can drop below 10 milliwatts, making it ideal for battery-powered and fanless designs. One of the biggest highlights is the integrated NPU. The RK3572 includes a 4 TOPS AI engine supporting int4, int8, int16, FP16, BF16, and other mixed precision formats. It also supports popular AI frameworks, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, ONNX, TF-Lite, and Caffe. This means developers can deploy AI applications directly at the edge without depending on cloud processing. Potential applications include face recognition, license plate recognition, industrial defect detection, smart surveillance, speech recognition, AI-powered image enhancement, abnormal behavior detection. In short, the RK3572 brings practical edge AI capabilities to cost-sensitive industrial and commercial products. RK3572 is not just about AI, it is a multimedia powerhouse. The chip supports 8K video decoding, 4K video encoding, AV1, H.265, and other modern codecs. Dual independent displays, up to 5 cameras input, a 12 megapixel ISP for advanced image processing. For commercial displays, digital signage, point of sale terminals, smart kiosk, and security systems. These multimedia capabilities are extremely attractive. The integrated Mali G310 GPU also supports Vulkan 1.4, enabling smoother graphics and UI experiences. Now, why the FET3572-C System on module matters? Launching a new processor is one thing, and making it easy to deploy is another. That's where Forlinx FET3572-C comes in. The module packages the RK3572 with LPDDR5 memory support, eMMC storage, dual gigabit Ethernet, PCI 2.1, CAN-FD, multiple UARTs, industrial interfaces, Linux 6.12 support, and Android 16 support. Forlinx also offers the OK3572-C development board, helping engineers move from evaluation to production much faster. Power efficiency is becoming just as important as raw performance. Thanks to its 8 nanometer process, the intelligent core scheduling, the RK3572 can achieve ideal power consumption as low as 1.3 watts under no load condition. Compared with previous mid-range platforms, performance doubles while typical power consumption drops by more than half. This makes it particularly attractive for portable AI devices, smart terminals, battery-powered equipment, fanless industrial computers, and edge gateways. The RK3572 is shaping up to be one of the most interesting AIoT processors of 2026. And if you enjoyed this product breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The description of the product is in link below. Thanks for watching.